Chef Des here, corporate chef of BCA. My kids are all grown up now, but I remember when they were little, and my wife and I did everything possible to make sure that they had the healthiest diet. It's now okay to feed your baby whole eggs starting as early as 6 months. In fact, it could help prevent an egg allergy. Health Canada, the Canadian Pediatric Society, and Dietitians of Canada all recommend that you start introducing whole eggs to your infant's diet when they can start eating solid foods. In fact, studies show that introducing whole eggs to your infant's diet can help prevent an egg allergy. So if you can do that now at 6 months of age, or like I say, when they start eating solid food, that's the way to do it. Eggs have the highest quality protein you can get, 6 grams in every single large egg, and 14 key essential nutrients and vitamins. Some easy ideas for you. Easy scrambled eggs. All you need for that is 1 large egg and a couple tablespoons of breast milk or formula, whatever you're using. Just blend them together and cook in a skillet, scrambling as you go until they're fully cooked. Another great idea is take a hard-boiled egg and just mash that with a couple tablespoons of breast milk or formula until it's a complete mash, and then feed that to your baby. Or try mashing a hard-boiled egg with either some ripe avocado or some cooked sweet potato. Remember, don't add anything else to these, just natural ingredients. Don't add sugar, don't add margarine, just those natural ingredients. So eggs are a perfect way to add an iron-rich, wholesome food to your baby's diet. And they play an important role in brain development. We all want that for our kids. So check out the latest facts at bca.com and make sure you're doing everything possible for the healthy well-being of your children. I'm Chef Des, signing out. Where are you getting your protein from?